Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news of a shock rate cut by a G7 country. But first, the shape of the ECB bond buying plan is now subject to intense speculation. Overnight, it was revealed that the central bank is considering buying €50 trillion per month until the end of 2016, which would make it a massive €1.2 trillion stimulus plan, equivalent to more than 8 years of New Zealand GDP. Equities are rising worldwide, bond yields are falling. In China, their money market rate climbed to the most in a month. On speculation, banks there will start hoarding funds to meet seasonal pickup in cash demand before the Chinese New Year holidays, which start on February the 19th. That same banking system will face rising pressure over the next few years from bad loans, narrowing of net interest margins, and financial disintermediation due to reforms and the economic slowdown. And that's according to the official Chinese state media reports. In the US, building starts for new single-family homes raced to their highest level in more than 6.5 years in December, and permits surged. The data was seen as a hopeful sign for their sluggish housing market recovery, which has lagged the rest of their economy. North of the border, though, the Bank of Canada has shocked markets with an unexpected rate cut from 1% to 0.75%. This is in direct response to the lower oil price, which the bank said the oil price is expected to recover to about $60 a barrel in the medium term, and it is concerned that it will erode growth and inflation for Canada. Oil is a core export for Canada. Back in New York, benchmark US Treasury 10-year bond yields are slightly firmer today, having risen a few basis points to 1.8%. What swap rates in New Zealand start today sharply lower. The 1.5 curve is now at just 8 basis points. The 2-year swap rate is at 3.69, its lowest in more than 2 years. The oil price is up about $1 overnight at $48 a barrel, while the Brent crude is at $49 a barrel. On the other hand, gold is slightly down. Its price is now at $1,288 an ounce. We start today with the New Zealand dollar lower again today by more than 1 cent. It is at 75.7 US cents, 93.6 Aussie cents, and the TWI is at 78. US exporters are starting to worry about the recent rise in their currency. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.